Hi, welcome to the Quilt Report. Today, my dog Lena and I are here, and I'm just quilting away on my project. Um, right now, I'm done about this far out, which is about as far as you can comfortably reach. I could reach a little further, but this is good for demonstration purposes. And the question that I get the most when people see the frame is, how do you reach the middle? It's so far out there. Well, you roll the thing up like a scroll. You roll up the quilted part and then you keep going. So all along here, I have pins holding the backing in. Uh, Much to my chagrin, I noticed in the first video that I made that I had put this stretcher bar on top of the roller bar, which made it impossible to do. I had to unpin all the way along and repin. The roller goes on top of the stretcher. Okay, so I remove the pins that will keep it attached, the backing attached to the frame, so that I can roll that part up. I'll do that same thing on the other side. I remove enough pins to be able to roll it up to where I have quilted. So this is about as far as I need to go. Now I brace the stretcher against my thigh, hold the whole assembly with my hand, and undo the clamp. I have to do that on the other side. So I'll just hang this clamp up here where it'll be handy. I'll repeat the process on this side. I brace the stretcher against my thigh so that I have something to pull against. Take the clamp off, and then I roll the whole thing twice. Bracing it against my thigh so I have something, a way to control it. Then I will pull it as tight as I need it to be there. Pull it as tight as I need it to be here. And then away I go. Now, when I get too far in that I can't reach and still brace the stretcher on my thigh, then I will undo the pins all the way along and put a shorter stretcher bar in. I have a whole collection of different lengths. All right, back to work, eh, Lena? See you next time.